What if I told you the biggest enemy of your investments isn't the market? I've got this. I'll invest and get rich. It's your brain.
I want results. Right now.
Investing is like planting a tree. Okay, where's the money? But humans hate waiting. It's been 5 seconds. Why isn't it growing? Most people don't fail because they're bad investors. They fail because they're impatient. Maybe I should try something else. When prices fall, your brain sees danger.
Sell!
Sell everything! We're doomed! A discount? Amazing! Here's the strange part. The same discount appears in the stock market. Absolutely not. Humans love discounts, except when they're stocks. One investor watches every headline. What's happening now? The other watches decades. I'll check in a few years. Time passes. Wait, that's all I had to do? The secret isn't intelligence. It's patience. The market rewards those who can ignore their emotions. The question is, can you wait longer than your instincts?